Have you ever considered getting cyber insurance for your company? Honestly, I'd be surprised if you said no. Today, pretty much all companies are deeply connected to technology, and that is especially true for the trucking industry, with tech ranging from route optimization to ELDs to highly advanced fleet management systems that have revolutionized operations for many large fleets. But the advancements in technology and the convenience it creates does come at a price because it drastically increases your vulnerability to cyber attacks. The cyber attack we're talking about today is specific to the transportation industry, but this can happen regardless of what industry you're in. So as a trucking company, imagine your entire fleet being paralyzed, shipments delayed, and customers demanding answers that you don't have. This is every trucking company's nightmare and is exactly what happened in the 2017 ransomware attack on Maersk and FedEx. This was a huge wake-up call for the entire transport sector because even though it was initially targeting Ukrainian organizations through a vulnerable accounting software, it ended up going global so fast that it completely crippled both Maersk and FedEx. If you have any questions at this point about cybersecurity insurance, just fill out the form below. As for the cyber attack, it was called the NotPetya attack, and it went down as one of the most devastating cyber attacks in history. Maersk is the world's largest shipping company, and within hours, its entire IT infrastructure was inoperable. Just to give you an idea, that infrastructure consists of 4,000 servers and 45,000 computers, and everything went offline, which means that port terminals were paralyzed and fleets were completely stranded. FedEx faced similar issues with their global operations completely disrupted because IT systems were encrypted or destroyed, with some data being completely lost. With delayed shipments, dissatisfied customers, and recovery costs, Maersk damage was recorded at $300 million and FedEx at $400 million, which shows just how devastating these incidents can be. Now, your company may not be on the scale of Maersk or FedEx, but don't let that fool you. Cyber attacks happen to small and medium-sized companies all the time. And without protection, well, you might end up with your doors shut. With that said, CNS Insurance stands behind our belief that cybersecurity insurance is a non-negotiable must. It offers protection from evolving threats, risk associated with using third-party services, financial protection, covering costs for things like data recovery, business interruption, legal fees, and even reputation damages. Many trucking companies learned from the NotPetya incident and jumped on the cybersecurity insurance bandwagon, and with good reason. You might think you're completely secure, but ransomware attacks are constantly evolving and exposing weaknesses in cyber software. In addition, whether you have 1, 2, or 100 employees, all those employees are equally vulnerable and might be the cyber attacker's way in. Look at it this way. The minimal cost to you on your monthly insurance is worth the peace of mind that if something happens, at least you're financially protected. If you have any questions about coverage or are concerned about becoming a victim of a cyber attack, just give us a call, email, or fill out the form below, and a cybersecurity insurance specialist will help you out.